Naka-off yung Bluetooth niya. Pero once na pinatong ko siya dito, itatap natin dito. Yan guys ha. Tatap lang natin yan dyan.
Where everything was as fresh as the bright blue sky.
Oh, di ba mga boss? Napakaangas. Hindi na kailangan ng Bluetooth. Patong mo lang dito guys.
Seems to me, reminds me of childhood memory.
Pakaangas.
Reminds me of childhood memories. Where everything was as fresh as the bright blue sky.
Oh, tapos kung tinanggal natin, mahina na. Kasi yun nga, wireless induction guys, hindi na kailangan ng Bluetooth. Ang high-tech neto, grabe. Yeah. Oh, yun guys, oh.
Reminds me of childhood.
Parang magic. Kung nagustuhan nyo rin po itong ating wireless induction speaker guys, iiwan ko na lang po ang link niya sa ating yellow basket para same quality rin yung order nyo.
It seems to me, reminds me of childhood.